This is the service elevator at the Durham Hotel in Durham, North Carolina. This one's a Schindler 3300, which is really weird because it was installed at the exact same time as the ThyssenKrupp Synergy main elevator. If anything, now we're getting more durable service. This is really cheap and flimsy for a service elevator. The only gas floors are 3, 4, and 5, so I'm going to go between those floors. So I'm going to go 3 through 5. Here we go. 6 is a rooftop bar, 2 is an event space, 1 in lower lobby, or like the lobby housekeeping areas. Here 5. Hopefully no one called it upstairs. Okay, good. Back down to 3. Here, worn out. Surprisingly, the COP is not in too bad a shape. Certificate, yeah, installed in 2015, which is when the ThyssenKrupp was also installed. It's a basic red metal 3300 cap. They even made it red like the ThyssenKrupp. Tile a bit worn out. The other one, a carpet. Number 3. There's a card reader, but I guess it doesn't work. I'll close this and that's going to be it.